In today's video, I will walk you through how to check trust scores on CoinGecko. If you want to evaluate the reliability of a crypto exchange on CoinGecko, one of the easiest ways to do that is by checking its trust score. CoinGecko displays trust scores for exchanges, so you can quickly compare them and review exchange data in one place. Here's how to check trust scores on CoinGecko. Once you're on the home page, look at the top navigation menu and go to the Exchanges section. Click it to open the list of cryptocurrency exchanges. On the Exchanges page, you'll see a ranked list of exchanges along with key information such as trading volume, supported markets, and trust score. This page is the main place where you can compare exchanges side by side. To check a trust score, look for the Trust Score column in the Exchange Rankings table. Each listed exchange has a trust score shown directly in that row. This lets you quickly scan and compare how exchanges rank based on CoinGecko's scoring system. If you already have a specific exchange in mind, you can use the search function on the Exchanges page to find it faster. Type the name of the exchange you want to check, then open its exchange page from the results. If you want to compare multiple exchanges, return to the main Exchanges Rankings page and look through the Trust Score column for several platforms at once. This is helpful if you're deciding between exchanges and want to review their listed scores in a single view. If you're checking derivatives exchanges instead of spot exchanges, go to the Derivatives section on CoinGecko. Similar to the main Exchanges page, CoinGecko also lists derivatives exchanges with their own rankings and trust score information, so the process is very similar there as well. Once you've found the exchange you want, simply review the trust score shown on the page. You can then continue exploring that exchange's trading pairs, supported assets, and market activity if needed. And that's how to check trust scores on CoinGecko. By using the exchanges and derivatives pages, you can quickly find trust scores and compare exchange listings directly.